Hello! Samsung got me yet again. Ladies and gentlemen and ladies, today I am pumped and pleased to announce that I finally got in the mail my Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. Yeah! Along with a very friendly pal in the background. So I pulled the trigger on this bad boy and I've been excited and eager to finally get my hands on it. Yes, I know that YouTube is littered with a ton of people that have already unboxed the Z Flip 3, but unfortunately I have a regular 9-to-5 job. I just got out, I had dinner, said hi to the wife, and now I'm checking out the phone. Today is August 26, 2021, and right now it's 6:37 p.m. I told my wife that I'd be done, uploaded, this video would be posted by midnight. Fingers crossed, hopefully I can do it. So Handsome Nation, let's just get into it.
You know what time it is.
Boxy time. So we have a nice two-tone box. Now I'm not sure if the other colors would have a different box color. I had to go with the black version because that was the earliest one that I was gonna be able to get. The other colors, they're gonna have to be pushed out to like September. And even like people that pre-ordered the Z Fold 3, those are pushed out as well. So I'm lucky to get my hands on it and I'm just gonna be grateful for what I got. So at the bottom right there, it says Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G. Yeah, it's kind of a mouthful. On this side of the box, it says the same thing. The other side, it says Samsung. On the back of the box, of course, it's gonna go into a little bit more details about the product, talk about exactly what it's capable of, as well as what's inside the box. No charging brick this time. So since there's no charging brick, that's a big reason right here as to why this box is so thin. All right, so that's about it for the box. So let me get my handy dandy YouTube knife and we'll cut into it. All right, here we go. Okay, so I'll set the phone to the side real quick. On the back of this cardboard is gonna be your SIM eject tool, and there's gonna be your USB Type-C to USB Type-C charging cable. Here's our quick start guide and a Galaxy Z Premier card. So your Galaxy foldable device comes with additional perks. Scan the QR code to discover the exclusive benefits for Galaxy Z owners. Okay, I will definitely do that. But here's gonna be the Z Flip 3 5G. So let's take the wrapper off real quick. So before I turn it on, let's just show it off a little bit. Okay, so here's gonna be my camera setup right here, as well as my outside screen. Looks like the black finish does do a good job at repelling fingerprints, but of course I always slap a case on it anyway, so stay tuned for that video because I got quite a few cases to try on this bad boy. There's gonna be our hinge right there with the branding, a Samsung. On the bottom is gonna be our USB-C charging port, as well as a down-firing speaker. So on the left-hand side, it looks like our SIM tray. And then on the right-hand side, we got our power button and our volume up and down button. So let's go ahead and fire her up and see how she looks. Okay, so I had to do a real quick side-by-side comparison. This right here is definitely one of the top 3 favorite phones that I've ever had. That is the Note 20 5G. And here's the Z Flip 3. So as you can see, the Z Flip 3 is a little bit taller, but it is thinner as well. But then again, you don't get that S Pen support, so I don't know, guys. I really like the way the Z Flip 3 feels in the hand, but then again, with the smaller battery and the smaller screen space and no S Pen support, I don't know, guys. I'm gonna have to definitely test this out and see if I can do the switch or not. But ultimately, Samsung being Samsung has some amazing panels, and this is quite vivid and quite bright. And of course, when you want to put the phone away, there we go. You just double tap on there. There's a quick look at that screen. You can add a widget for quick and easy access. Let me do a quick couple camera shots. All right, well there you have it. A first look at the Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G. So if you haven't done so already, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn the notification bell on because I'm gonna have a lot more content featuring the Z Flip 3 5G. Oh, you're still here? Oh, well, I thought I turned the camera off, but since we're still recording and you're still here, let's quickly talk about the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2. So as you can see, I've already unboxed it, and I've been testing it out all day, and well, let's just say that, well, you know how I really didn't like those Sony 1004 MX4s, whatever they're called. Yeah, well, this right here, the Galaxy Buds 2, so far, I'm quite the opposite. I love these bad boys right here. And guess what, Sony? These come in at less than 150 bucks. And since I pre-ordered the Z Flip 3 5G, I actually was able to pick these up for an additional 10 bucks because Samsung, they gave me a credit to buy anything in the store. So I used that credit to pick up these bad boys. This is the olive color, but not only are these smaller and they fit a lot more snug in the ear than the Sonys did, but in my opinion, these sound better and the ANC is better as well. So I got that Master Chief Halo Green going on, and I'm going to continue to test these as well as test out the Z Flip 3 5G, and we'll have a lot more videos coming up. So if there's anything you guys want me to cover, share, show, try in regards to the Z Flip 3 5G or the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2, let me know in the comments down below, and who knows, maybe your suggestion will make it into a future video. So while you're down there, you might as well like this video, share the content, of course, hit the notification bell, and subscribe to the channel so you'll be notified every time I go live or when I post new content. Thank you and have a good one.